Hey, happy Sunday, happy gun day. Second Amendment time. Today we got a special guest in the house. RPK 7.62x39. Ton of fun. Romanian special. It is legit. It is semi-auto. So gonna have a little fun with it. Take it up for the range and pop a couple of caps and let's see what's up. Stick around. Hey, welcome back with the RPK. It's a nice vintage 1976. If you ever managed to get one or your hands on one, if you look, you'll see the year. And with this model, it's the AES 10B. 10 is in military, B is in Bravo. So let's commence to have some fun. You ready to rock and roll?
Yep.
Ton of fun at only 55 cents a round. What a steal.